first thing we want to do is remove our dipstick. This is going to help the crankcase vent properly when draining our engine oil. Up next, using a 17mm socket, we'll remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now is a good chance to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you'll want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Now we'll reinstall the drain bolt and torque this to 22 foot-pounds. Now, using an 80mm oil filter wrench, we'll remove the old oil filter. It simply just unthreads. Now, to prep our new oil filter, we're going to first want to put a thin coat of oil on the inner gasket on the inside of the oil filter, and then simply thread it back in place and torque this to 12 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Honda states that this unit holds 3.2 quarts of 10W40 motorcycle oil. I'm using Honda in this case, but you can use any manufacturer as long as it's motorcycle oil with the special additives. Now we'll simply reinstall our dipstick, and now we're going to start the engine up and let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll shut the engine off and let it sit for a few more moments, and that's going to help us achieve an accurate oil level reading. Now we remove our dipstick and wipe off the excess oil and simply place it on top of the threads and lift it back out. This oil level looks perfect, so let's hit the street.